Talk about rarity and desirable. We have a 1967 Pontiac Catalina 2+2 convertible. You know how many of these they made? 286. Period. 286 of these convertibles were made. This is the 428 with a 4-speed. How many of those were 4-speeds in a big full-size car like this? Probably not even half. How many of those still exist? Well, this is one of them, documented by Pontiac Historical Service, full body off frame restoration, AACA National First Place winner, and not back in 1989, but in 2022. So it's a recent, fresh, national winning car. Numbers match. It's a beauty. Top is down. Let's go for a spin. You can catch a price tag on any of our cars at volocars.com, along with the monthly finance payment as well. We have about 200 fantastic cars available right now. So like always, we're going to start by looking at the body. Absolutely straight, fits square and flush. All 18 or 20 feet of it looks real nice and straight. Lines up beautifully, smooth all the way down to the bottom. No bubbles down here, no waves, damage. Shuts real nice. Quarter panels, all nice and clean. Outstanding, really nice clean metal. Really is straight. I mean, that's a giant panel right there. It's like the size of a ping pong table, and it is straight. All of this clean, straight. The lines are nice and straight and crisp. Right around here, nice and smooth and clean. Doors line up nice and flush and square, shut real nice. All smooth down here. All nice, clean body lines. I didn't see any damage. I didn't see any funny spots, bubbles, shrinking, cracking. Repainted its original color. I think it's Tyrol Blue. Metal flake is all laid out. It's all one color. It has a very smooth, glossy finish. You would have to be really fussy and look real hard to point anything out. There's like a few little dust nibs in the paint right there. I mean, we're talking that you have to be that critical. The paint is gorgeous, probably better than most of the brand new cars you'd buy today. Body side moldings, polished and straight. Bright red 428. That's pretty good size emblem. People, they want you to know what you got in there. These little gills are in great shape. Windshield looks crystal clear. The moldings are all very good, like a tiny dimple or a very slight surface wear, but overall looks very nice. The chrome vent window looks like it might be brand new. That's like brilliant chrome. Door handles are new. The window seals are new. Power antenna works. More bright red emblem, 2+2. The 2+2 is the high performance full-size car, so it's like the GTO's big brother. And you'll hear this thing run later. It's got a cam in there. It sounds good. Tail lights are mint. They look like new. The emblems look like new. The bumper's sparkling and straight. Everything fits beautifully back here. Some nice redline tires. That's a nice bright red stripe. Reproduction white ovals with the original hubcaps in excellent shape. Pontiac Motor Division disc brakes. Has the frosted hubcaps. They're excellent. Has the optional remote mirror. That's beautiful. The rubber around the vent window looks like it's new as well. A few little tiny dimples, not even dents, just little dimples there. You have a hood tachometer. Look at this beautiful front end. Look how the chrome's just sparkling. All 4 T3 headlights. And there's the AACA National First Prize winner 2022. That's right there. So now you've seen how beautiful the outside is. It has a black convertible top. That's in excellent shape. There's pictures of that on our website. Let's open it up, see what the inside looks like. I'm going to show you a beautiful, ginormous trunk compartment. Painted all real nice and clean. Has a new sticker. The jam is painted just as slick. The weather strip is replaced. Look at all the room in here. It's all rock solid metal. nice clean spatter finish. It has the matte with the sidewall liners. It must have been part of the the big full-size car, because GTOs didn't have that. Well liners new. A fifth matching, never used reproduction tire with the red line, painted rim. It has the jack assembly, new trunk latch. So that's a very nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Door jambs are painted slick, the latches are clean, the weather strips look new and fit real nice, sill plates are shiny. This is a factory-born blue with parchment interior, so the way you see it's the way it was born. Door panels are in very nice shape. You can see it has a joystick for the remote mirror, it has a 2+2 emblem, same pattern that's on the seats. Padded dash. Factory in-dash gauges instead of dummy lights. Claimed to be 64,000 miles, but hard to verify that. Power antenna, power top. You got a clock that's just worked right twice a day. Interior light works. Factory AM/FM radio. I got it to play a couple stations. I mean, it's old school. It was not anything amazing. I like how you set the temperature on these. See how that moves, how hot you want it. You turn it up for more red. So the whole dash area is very nice. The metal's painted nice. Kick panels are excellent. Comes with a catalog with a similar car on the cover. Pontiac documentation. Reproduction floor mats. Carpet fits real nicely. 4-speed consoles to the 428. Her shifter. This all in real nice shape. Parchment, like a pearly interior, nice rebuilt seats, upholstery's all redone. Okay, there we go. Same thing in back, carpet's laid out real nice, has the mats, all nicely upholstered, even the armrests, side panels, rear speakers shiny, all looks great. Another option, a couple more options, a deluxe steering wheel, and it is mounted on a tilt column. So that's pretty cool too. And it has the deluxe trim around the pedals. Visors look new. Yes, the 428 motor, 360 horsepower, and there's a 2-letter code, and there's pictures of it on our website, and then there's a unit number stamped above it. That unit number is on the Pontiac Historical paperwork, so this is the motor for this car. Those numbers match, and the dates all appear to be correct. This motor's rebuilt, and I'm telling you, the little bit I drove it, it runs exceptionally good. It's got a cam, it's got a nice idle. It's all painted stock. It has the pie pan air cleaner and valve cover, and they're like show quality chrome. 4-barrel carb, distributor, wires, coil, everything's clean. Look how clean the firewall is. Look how nice it's painted. The inner fenders, the hinges, everything in here is painted real slick. It has the flaps down here. They've added an overflow bottle. All painted up nice and clean. The pulleys and belts and alternator all look nice. It has power steering. It has a Delco battery topper, all bolted down properly. Cables look new. Squirters are hooked up. We got power brakes. The original trim tag is there in place. And it has hood insulation under the hood. So it's a detailed motor compartment. Looks good, and Caleb's going to show you what a 428 4-speed feels like.
got the Mac Daddy today. This is gonna make you feel like Boss Hog. We're in the 2+2, known as the Catalina. But don't let the size fool you, because that 428 and 4-speed, she'll still rip. She'll hurt some feelings out on the road. But we're taking her around the block. We're gonna show you how she drives. I'm expecting it to be a sweetheart of a car. Can't even feel the bumps right now. Super smooth. Steering's nice and tight on it. It's power steering for that matter, power brakes. So everything feels and functions how it should so far. Clutch feels really good. Those brakes work phenomenally. No pulling left or right. Power steering's effortless. Turn signal lights up. See if she cancels and see what this baby's got. Ripping through the gears, no problem. Look at that, 60 miles an hour. Straight down the road. It's a smooth cruiser with the muscle in it. What do you call it? Business with style. This thing's pretty sweet. Power antenna's working. Got the original radio that works. Got the heat on, so that's working. Horn works. The lights light up. Let's try the wipers. There we go. And they cancel. Suck back down. Yeah, this thing's ready to go. Gorgeous car too. Love the colors. Everything about it, really. You just don't see these every day. So you can appreciate a GTO, but when you see a Catalina, man, this is a rare one. But yeah, there you have it, the 67.
So as I said, it's body off frame restored. The floors are such clean metal, they painted it this same gloss blue color. All the chassis painted semi-gloss black. Of course, it was all rebuilt when it went back together. The steering, the suspension, the brakes are rebuilt. Factory disc brakes in front. That was the first year that Pontiac offered it, as far as I know. The fuel tank was replaced, the e-brake cable, the lines, all that's clean and fresh. Nice sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. You look up at the motor, the starter, the fuel pump, all that's nice and clean. Has its correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. And I know it has a sure grip rear end because pulling in here, I dumped the clutch for a little bit and I looked behind me and there's 2 black patches on the pavement. So it is the Pontiac Sure Grip, or Posi. So there you go. Visit volocars.com, and there's the salesman will be there to help answer questions like how do you get it to your garage, and you better measure your garage, and how do you get it financed. They can help with that. Beautiful, high quality, extremely rare investment car you can enjoy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.